feelings. Yo, put your hands together for this one. Yo, rest in peace, all my young homie. Yo, feelings. Yo. Time's passing as the clock's passing through the life that we're living, that we're feeling. Full of pain, full of same stress. Different kind of reason, different kind of shit gotta put you down till you reach a destination. Every situation, life is a competition. Lot of haters, lot of figures gon' be out there showing no feeling. I know it's hard a minutes, still I waited patiently. Struggle through the rain, struggle through the pain, so that you can pave the way for the next youngsters, popsters in the future. Yo, you did it, so now even if you wait, the memories are still alive, like this movie so fast.
laijon khang tha te hi na long mo hay mo hi na tu ni nong te hi jong leo chen na laijon cheng long min ga hin mil bo ve.
Now I'm in the studio just to ease the pain in my mind. Know you've been watching from above to the top. Reminisce the days that you rock, that you pop for the nations. Life is moving so fast that you never know it, that you never think it. Time's passing as the clock's passing through it. Still a blessed caress from above. Going through that struggle, through the pain. Away they got us a plan. Sometimes we look to the Lord and try to blame it God. The memories are still alive to my eyes. In my mind we're still alive, but I'm trying to stay focused, but I'm losing my mind. We gonna keep it rocking till this life that we're living, that we're feeling.
Na nong zu yu laijon khang tha te hi na long mo hay mo hi na tu ni nong te hi jong leo chen na laijon cheng long min ga hin mil bo ve.
I'm making rhyme for the lovers of my game. To my last young homie, reminisce the days back while we act a fool in the school, but we class the flashlight. Homie, you're the one watching over my back, and now it's back to you. Still alive goes on in this fucking world of fantasy. You're the only one now. The LC, this magazine is coming out to represent young. Ain't established, beginner published. Homie, guess you couldn't make it harder if it wasn't watching me back. Zoe Kh, guess you couldn't be around. Even though you passed away, you've been around. We hold me yo, I know you've been watching from above. Still I hustle.
Trung thang va na kun hin ve vi na nong zu yu laijon khang tha te hi na long mo hay mo hi na tu ni nong te hi jong leo chen na laijon cheng long min ga hin mil bo ve.